welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your August 2018 add-on kits. So there's 3 add-on kits to go with your flavors of the month. There's the cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishment add-ons. So for the cardstock, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks to go with each one of the 4 collections. And your patterned paper, you're going to get 2 sheets of patterned paper to go with each one of the 4 collections. So this is going to make your flavors of the month go even further and give you more options when you're creating. And of course the embellishments are just more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. You can see Rochelle does a great job in matching up the cardstock to the patterned paper and giving you lots of variety in the kit so you're not stuck with just one theme, and you're getting such a variety of product and all of the latest and greatest. So let's take a closer look at each one of the add-ons that you can choose to go along with your flavors of the month. Your cardstock add-on is going to have 3 additional cardstocks to go with each one of the 4 collections. So you can do your backgrounds, your die cuts, your matting of your photos, all kinds of things. If you love doing double page layouts, then you'll have 2 cardstocks so that you'll be able to do those backgrounds for those as well. So first up, for the Fancy Pants on Your Way collection, or on Our Way collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of mustard and 2 sheets of lollipop. For the Jen Hatfield My Bright Life collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of mauve ice and 2 sheets of sour apple. For the Photoplay Stuck on You collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of Sunbeam and 2 sheets of aqua. And then the Simple Stories Little Dude collection, you'll get a sheet of Red Rock and 2 sheets of Typhoon. Our next add-on is the pattern paper add-on. So I think this is a must for anybody. You want more options in your patterned paper. For the Fancy Pants on Our Way collection, we have this one called Let's Ride. Carries out that theme of a bus and a car and an airplane, so whatever way you're traveling, you can use that paper. Or you can flip it over and use this great background with the pink and the orange. This one's called Now Boarding, and it has all of these like luggage tags for your boarding passes. And the back is a gray with a white kind of stitched design. I think this would be gorgeous if you went ahead and stitched over some of that design for your background. It would be a beautiful background page. For Jen Hatfield, My Bright Life, we have Bright Stripes. It's a diagonal stripe in those bright rainbow colors. The back is another tone-on-tone green with kind of the petals and the dots. Full branding strip of these tulips on the yellow. I love having branding strips. This one called Field of Flowers, which is another floral design. So in the flavors of the month we had a large and kind of a small, and so now we have a medium floral print. And the back is this yellow-green print with the white polka dots. Florals on a full branding strip. Photoplay paper stuck on you. We have Better Together, which are these mason jars with some succulents in those on that dark green background. So this is a beautiful color that you don't see in a lot of collections. The back is a blue with a kind of yellow-green to an off-white triangle. That one was called Better Together. This one, Live Simply, is the black and white drawing of all of the succulents. So you could have fun if you like mixed medias, then you could do a lot of fun things on that paper. The background is this gorgeous black and white diagonal stripe. From Simple Stories Little Dude, we have the text on the cream background with circles and all of the different colors. This one's called Little Man, and it has the arrows in black on top of that text print. This one called Boy Oh Boy is a large black and cream colored stripe, and it has text as well going throughout the entire background. And then we have the cross sign on a blue. So as you can tell, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous papers. So that is your patterned paper add-on. The last add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. Just like the patterned paper, I think everybody needs to add the embellishments. I love to layer up and cluster. You have so much more options when you add the add-on. For the Fancy Pants On Our Way collection, you're going to get the Alpha Dot stickers. So these are puffy stickers, including uppercase letters as well as your numbers and the ampersand in a rainbow assortment of colors. For the Jen Hatfield My Bright Lights collection, you're going to get the dimensional stickers, so it's florals and these little stitched designs that have a wood veneer frame, so it kind of looks like the old embroidery hoops. These are gorgeous. It says happy birthday, thinking of you, and congrats. So these would be perfect to put some little scraps to use and make some cards for friends to send out. And then the photo play paper Stuck on You, you're going to get a half a pack of the die cuts, and so this is what was in my pack. As you can see, lots of little embellishments that you could cluster with. And then the simple stories, you're going to get a half a pack of the 4x6 sticker sheets. They will vary as well, but you can see there is a large assortment of sizes and types of stickers that you'll be getting for that collection. That is the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-on kits for this month. Be sure to come on over to the blog and the Facebook page to see what the design team has created with all of their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. Join in on some challenges. They're lots of fun, will really spark your creativity and get you going, give you lots of ideas of ways that you can use your kit. If you're not already a subscriber of the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.